Multiple bank customers have been cheated on crores of rupees by a bank employee. Incident took place at Dharmanagar in North Tripura district. However, the accused was arrested by police and is currently on trial. Also, all the money has been returned to the customers. Multiple bank customers have been cheated by one employee working Dharmanagar State Bank of India branch. According to the details of the incident, there was a bank employee namely Manoj Kumar Meena, a resident of Rajasthan, working at the Dharmanagar State Bank branch. While he was working at the Dharmanagar SBI branch, when customers came to the bank to deposit money in a mutual fund, bank employee Manoj Kumar Meena allegedly stole money from the customers with fake certificates. In this way, the bank employee namely Manoj Kumar Meena embezzled over crores of rupees from more than 10 customers of Dharmanagar State Bank branch. In 2019, the accused fraudulent bank employee was transferred from Dharmanagar branch. Meanwhile, the customers who have deposited money in the mutual fund, when they came to withdraw their money from the bank, noticed that no money has been deposited in the mutual fund of their account. Shaibal Roy, the current manager of Dharmanagar SBI branch, approached the administration after customers brought allegations of fraudulence against the bank. The name of bank employee Manoj Kumar Meena came up when the administration started an investigation with the CID crime branch. Police later arrested him from Rajasthan. Manoj Kumar Meena is currently in jail custody. Manager Shaibal Roy said that the bank has already returned the money of around 9 to 10 customers who were cheated by accused. On Friday, one old woman came to withdraw the money deposited in the mutual fund about 3 years ago in the same way and saw that the old woman was also a victim of the same fraudulence. Manager Shaibal, however, promised to return the woman's money. Besides, the bank manager further said that the entire matter is being investigated. So far, about 90% of the money has been returned to the deceived customers.
17-18 এই সময় আমাদের এখানে আমাদের একজন কলিগ মনোজ কুমার মিনা, তো মনোজ কুমার মিনা এখানে যখন ছিলেন তখন কিছু মিউচুয়াল ফান্ডের ইনভেস্টমেন্টের উপর কিছু ফ্রডুলেন্ট ট্রানজ্যাকশন হয়েছিল। মোটামুটি 8-10 জন পর্যন্ত বড়োয়ার এখন আমরা পেয়েছি যাদের অ্যাকাউন্ট থেকে ওই সময় মিনাকে পেমেন্ট দেওয়া হয়েছিল টাকা মিউচুয়াল ফান্ড ইনভেস্ট করার জন্য। আলটিমেটলি এগুলি মিউচুয়াল ফান্ড ইনভেস্টেড হয়নি। তো আমরা গত বছর আমাদের হেড অফিস থেকে এই ব্যাপারটা প্রপার ইনভেস্টিগেশনের জন্য আমরা সিআইডি ক্রাইম ব্রাঞ্চের সাহায্য চাই এবং সিআইডি ক্রাইম ব্রাঞ্চ ওদের ইনভেস্টিগেশন যখন করে তখন দেখা যায় কি ওইখানে ওই সেই স্টাফ মনোজ কুমার মিনা সেটার মধ্যে ইনভলভড।
The bank authorities assured that they will soon settle the debts of the remaining deceived customers. For now, the deceived customers are breathing a sigh of relief. Bureau Report, Halabol.